Okay, Mary has a question. Where do you get so many preset shapes? Well, um, there's a lot of the shapes I have that were actually conversions from other files. I just used one of the old scripts from Sue's, and some are actually from dingbats. So those lots of hearts. Where are all the hearts? Here, those were actually fonts. So each character was a shape, and those shapes were turned into preset shapes. So with a script, you can get a lot. You can also import Photoshop shapes if you manage to find some. With a script, there is an article in the blog of the campus. The script is from LeviFiction. He's another scripter, and he's done something to convert from Photoshop to PaintShop. Also, several shapes are actually shapes that I had to create for various scripts and projects. Hey there! I hope you found this information helpful. If you're curious to dive deeper and explore more about PaintShop Pro, we've got a wealth of resources waiting for you in our membership area. There, you'll find in-depth classes, workshops, Q&A sessions, and much more to help you enhance your PaintShop Pro and digital scrapbooking skills. Feel free to check it out. The link is in the video description below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the campus!